The Samsung Galaxy A36 to 5G is the latest addition to Samsung's popular A series lineup. Positioned as a mid-range device with 5G capabilities, it is designed to offer a blend of premium features at an affordable price point. This review will delve into the design, display, performance, camera capabilities, battery life, and software experience to provide a comprehensive overview of the Galaxy A36 to 5G. Design and build quality. The Galaxy A36 5G sports a sleek and modern design, typical of Samsung's A series. It features a plastic back with a glossy finish, which gives it a premium look. Although it may be prone to fingerprints, the phone has a sturdy build with a slim profile and rounded edges that make it comfortable to hold. The power and volume buttons are located on the right side, providing easy access. The device is available in several attractive colors, including classic black, soft blue, and mint green. Display. Samsung is known for its displays, and the Galaxy A36 5G doesn't disappoint. It comes with a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, offering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast. The screen resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels provides sharp visuals, making it ideal for watching videos, playing games, and browsing the web. The display is bright enough for outdoor use, and the slim bezels give it a modern look. Additionally, the device supports a 90 Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling and a responsive touch experience. Performance 3 minutes. Under the hood, the Galaxy A36 5G is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset, paired with 6GB or 8GB of RAM, depending on the variant. This combination delivers a solid performance for day-to-day tasks such as browsing, social media, and multitasking. Apps load quickly, and switching between them is smooth, thanks to the ample RAM. The device handles casual gaming well, but it may struggle with more demanding titles at higher settings. The inclusion of 5G connectivity ensures faster download and upload speeds, making it future-proof for next-gen networks. Camera quality 3 minutes. The Galaxy A36 5G is equipped with a versatile quad camera setup on the back. It features a 50MP primary sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens, a 2MP macro lens, and a 2MP depth sensor. The primary camera captures detailed and vibrant images in good lighting conditions. With accurate colors and decent dynamic range. The ultra-wide lens is great for capturing landscapes and group shots, although there is some distortion at the edges. The macro lens is suitable for close-up shots, but the quality is average. The 2MP depth sensor helps in achieving a natural bokeh effect in portrait shots. The 13MP front-facing camera takes clear selfies with good skin tones and detail. Low light performance is acceptable, with the camera managing to capture decent photos, though noise becomes more noticeable. The night mode feature helps to brighten up shots in low-light scenarios, but it's not as effective as on higher-end Samsung devices. Battery life. The Galaxy A36 5G is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, which is more than enough to get through a full day of moderate use. With 5G enabled and heavy usage, you might need a top-up by the evening. But under regular conditions, it comfortably lasts a day and a half. The phone supports 5W fast charging, which isn't the fastest on the market, but is still reasonably quick, getting you from 0 to 50% in about 30 minutes. Unfortunately, there's no wireless charging, which is a bit of a letdown but expected in this price range. Software and features. Running on Samsung's One UI 5.1 based on Android 13, the Galaxy A36 to 5G provides a smooth and intuitive user experience. One UI is known for its clean design, customizable features, and useful multitasking capabilities. Samsung has also committed to providing regular software updates, including security patches, ensuring the device stays up to date. The phone comes with some pre-installed apps, but these can be easily uninstalled if not needed. Additional features include a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, facial recognition, and support for Samsung Pay, making it convenient for secure payments. The phone also retains the 3.5mm headphone jack, which is a bonus for those who prefer wired audio. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy A36 to 5G is a solid mid-range smartphone that offers a great balance of features, performance, and value for money. Its attractive design, excellent display, reliable performance, and decent camera setup make it a strong contender in its price segment. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of a flagship device, it certainly delivers where it counts, making it an excellent choice for those looking for a dependable 5G smartphone without breaking the bank. Final thoughts. If you're in the market for a mid-range phone that offers 5G connectivity, a vibrant display, and a reliable overall experience, the Galaxy A36 5G is worth considering. It's a well-rounded device that performs admirably in most areas and should serve you well for everyday use.